Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to make your volume and mega volume lash bands. But before we get into the video, please make sure that if you have not already subscribed to the channel, what you like know, hit the subscribe button. You will love it here, and I greatly appreciate your support by simply subscribing. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything about this process, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I share a new video. So grab your tweezers, your glue ring, and your lashes, and let's get to it. Alright y'all, for this video I will be using the Lash Artist Premium Choice Lashes from thelashsupply.com. These are 0.05 in diameter. They're C-curl, and as you can see, 13mm lashes. All of my lashes for the last 2 years have come from thelashsupply.com. This is both my volume and classic lashes. I love their lashes because they fan out really easy and they come off the strip beautifully. So, lashes from the Lash Supply. I am also using an adhesive from the Lash Supply, which I have been faithful to for at least a year. This is the Magic All Season Adhesives. It's great for sensitive clients as well as clients who don't have any allergy issues. The retention rate on this glue is 5 weeks, and the dry time is 1 to 1.5 seconds. Lastly, I will be using the Live Bay Lash Rainbow Baby Junior Tweezers. Live Bay has the best tweezers with the best grip, and a lot of times if you're struggling to make your volume lashes, it's because of the tweezers that you're using or the lashes that you're using. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's you and you don't know what you're doing. So make sure that you're investing in good products. So when you're getting ready to make your volume lash fans, the first thing that you want to do is take a spoolie and brush the lash strip. This just makes sure that all the lashes are separated and everything is ready to go. Now, we're going to take our tweezer and you're going to grip the amount of lashes that you want to make your lash fan, and we're gripping them in the sweet spot of the tweezer. The sweet spot is just where the tweezer has the best grip at. After we grip the lashes between the tweezer, you're going to pull the lashes off the strip toward you. Your lashes should come off of the lash strip even at the bottom. After we pull the lashes off the lash strip, you're going to pinch the bottom of the lashes while loosening your grip on the stem of the tweezers. This is the stem of the tweezer, and you're just lightly going to loosen your grip on the thumb portion. When you're doing this, you want to be careful not to open the beak of the tweezer because then all of the lashes will fall out. After you've created that lash fan, dip in your glue, swipe it through the ridge of your blooming cup ring. Pull off any straggling pieces, and there you have it, a perfect slim base volume lash fan. So we're going to do that again. So the sweet spot of your tweezer, it can usually be found from the tip of your tweezer to the beak, to the curve of your tweezer, and it's usually somewhere right here in the middle. So before you start using your volume lash fans on your clients, you want to make sure that you really get to know your tweezers. So we're going to I'm going to do a few more lashes this time, and we're going to grip in between the tweezers at our sweet spot, pulling the lashes toward us. We're going to grip the base of the lashes, and then we're going to loosen our grip on the stem of the tweezers so that the lashes can fan out. So as you can see right now, I'm just gripping. I'm not loosening the tweezers up, and you can see that nothing is fanning. But once I release some of the pressure from my thumb, you see those lashes begin to fan out. Then I'm going to grip again to make sure nothing falls out. After I've done this, I'm going to dip the lashes in the adhesive, swipe it through my glue ring, and I love blooming cup rings because they make sure that those bases are snatched. And there we have it, a volume lash fan. When I first started trying to hand make my volume lash fans, I thought it was the hardest thing in the world and that I was the suckiest lash artist in the world. But it turned out it wasn't me that sucked, it was my tweezers and the lashes that I was using at the time. And it wasn't that hard after all once I got quality products. So I want to encourage you guys to invest in quality products. I will tag in the description box the lashes, the adhesive, and the tweezers that I use to help me make bomb volume lash fans. Y'all, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, go be great, and I hope this makes your lash journey a lot easier. Thank y'all for tuning into this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.